In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the content you can cross-post in Meta Business Suite. If you're managing content across multiple Meta properties, knowing where to locate cross-post eligible videos can save you a lot of time and help you reuse content more efficiently. Meta Business Suite makes this fairly simple once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get there. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and look over to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Content. This is the main area where Meta groups together your published posts, scheduled content, and media-related options. If you don't immediately see everything you expect, give the page a moment to fully load, especially if your account manages a large amount of content. Once you're inside the content section, the next thing you want to do is navigate to Creative Assets. This area is useful because it organizes the media connected to your account, including items that may be available for reuse or redistribution. Think of Creative Assets as the place where your content library becomes easier to sort through, especially when you're looking for specific formats like video. After you've opened Creative Assets, look for the option labeled Videos you can cross-post and click on it. This is the key section for finding video content that is eligible to be shared across connected Meta destinations. When you open it, you'll be able to review the videos that are available for cross-posting without having to search through your entire content history manually. This section is especially helpful if you want to streamline your publishing workflow or make better use of existing video content. Instead of re-uploading the same media again, you can quickly identify what's already available and suitable for cross-posting. That can help maintain consistency across your pages while also reducing repetitive work. As a quick tip, if you don't see the videos you expect, double check that you're in the correct business account or page environment within Meta Business Suite. In some cases, available content can vary depending on permissions, connected assets, or which profile you currently have selected. And that's all there is to it. You simply go to Content, move into Creative Assets, and then open videos you can cross-post to find the eligible content. Once you know this path, it becomes much faster to manage and repurpose your videos inside Meta Business Suite.